I can't tell you the last time I bought barbecue sauce. Once I realized how easy and quick it was to make at home, with ingredients I almost always have in the kitchen, I never looked back. This version is rich, tangy, a little sweet, and has just a little bit of a kick. And all you need to do is throw everything in a small pot and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Simple as that, you've got homemade barbecue sauce. As the base for our barbecue sauce, we're adding ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, and Worcestershire sauce. From there, we have free rein to be incredibly creative. Today, we're adding minced garlic, a tablespoon of a homemade spice rub that I made for the pork ribs that this is going on, a splash of liquid smoke, a splash of dark rum for depth, and a bit of Dijon mustard that I almost forgot to add. If you want to make it your own, you could also try honey or maple syrup instead of brown sugar, fresh ginger for more depth, which I usually add but didn't have any on hand, chipotle for some heat and smokiness, smoked paprika for that smoky barbecue depth, or a spoonful of tomato paste if you're looking for a deeper tomato edge to your barbecue sauce and a bit more thickness. Now just let it simmer in our pot for 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens slightly and the flavors meld together. One thing I will mention, if you're finding it quite tangy or vinegary and that's not your vibe, you can continue to simmer for a few minutes, or if you're basting this over your meats or vegetables that you're grilling or baking, that taste will actually cook off during cooking, so don't worry too much about it. And that's it. No blending, no fuss. In less than 15 minutes, you can make your own homemade barbecue sauce. I use this batch on some pork ribs, but it's amazing on chicken legs, burgers, grilled veg, or anything that needs a hit of that sweet and smoky barbecue sauce taste. Save this recipe, try it, make it your own, and let me know in the comments what you'd slather it on first.